standing in front of the public buildings where they usually draw the Bolido and the Sunday lottery. The wind is coming in pretty stiff. As we drove up here, we noticed that a window from the Chief Justice's office has been torn off and is now lying in the middle of the street. As we continue to make our way around Belize City, we find that a lot of the houses, especially the older ones, they're suffering some heavy damage. There was a house on Regent Street as well that we saw the shingles on the roof already starting to peel away. We're going to continue to make our way around Belize City and bring you highlights and snapshots of what is taking place as Hurricane Richard makes landfall in Belize. Going towards Caesar Ridge Road, somebody's zinc fence has been blown apart and it's now on Caesar Ridge Road, right by where the Yabra Community and Youth Friendly Drop-In Center is.